It's actually next one only, right? So Hindi lives from a spoken to the written spectrum, basically. And this question that you just asked, it's a very common one. What are we studying primarily? Okay, will be covering mostly the neutral and educated spoken Hindi. Okay, what we mostly teach in the class, basically. You will hear some the words that are used in a colloquial Hindi as well, but will not be able to pick up a lot of regional dialect, which varies from region to region. And similarly, there is a track where you just cover the formal literary Hindi, which are used in poetry, a lot of time in the newspaper as well, in speeches, political speeches, in religious textbooks. It's a lot more formal. Okay. So we will try to, find a balance, and you will hear the neutral, educated spoken, in Hindi, basically. Right? So what you're hearing, basically, kya haal hai versus aap kaise hain, they are in the center, basically. Okay, you can still pick up local dialect about where you are in India, right? And then see how people are greeting each other. It will vary. It's just like in the US, when you go from one region, or in any other part of the world, when you go from one region to another region, how you are greeting another person may vary, right? Um, so this was it's sort of not written in the principles. It's sort of a bonus principle that you will sort of like see, right? Last one, and I will jump to the conversational part, which is basically Hindi will reward listening and imitation more than the analysis. The more you hear, whether it is you're hearing a podcast or watching an episode without subtitles, you will develop the muscle memory of like sort of hearing like some certain verbs, certain phrases a lot more. Okay, as in sort of the curious student, it's a natural for you to dissect a lot of things, and that should happen also in some level, right? But over the time, once you kind of done that part, you'll benefit more when you're like, okay, that's how it is done. Let me sort of like see how these are same the native speakers are using it, right? And just like in this is same as English and other world languages, right? In English also, like you become more fluent or fluent long before you could even explain the grammar, just like the kids, right? They learn to speak first, and then in their higher elementary and middle school, they learn about the grammar of it, right? So if you feel something sounds right in Hindi, okay, when you're saying it, your intuition is correct. Okay. So don't second guess yourself in a lot of situations when you're like, okay, I said it because it came to me naturally. Now I'm thinking, doing the grammar analysis of it. And it happens a lot when you sort of when you study a lot of grammar, basically, then your sort of mind starts shifting it, right? So you have to find a balance there, basically.